Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Thursday the 11th of October. So just before we begin, if we can draw your attention to our risk warning, which you can currently see up on screen now. And of course, just familiarize yourself always with the risks involved in trading these markets. Okay, so the whole point behind this Daily Trade Watch video is to discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we can look at for the day ahead. So without further ado, if I can bring up our trading platform, and what you can currently see up on screen is major moves in the global equity markets. Now, if we just make a note of these lows, price is still very, very active, as you can see. But certainly, if we get a normal close in these markets and we get some continuation, you would fully expect perhaps a lot of these traders that have been in these markets to the upside may be deciding to take longer term views and get out of those bull positions. So it's likely to provide a little bit more volatility to the downside. Now, saying that, most sell-offs, significant sell-offs, have been bought back pretty quickly over the last few years, so they never seem to last for very long. So do bear that in mind. We're at this tentative phase right now due to global trade talks between the US and China, and tit for tat policies being pursued. But in addition to that, we're obviously in this raising rate environment now, and there's a lot of concern about the Fed potentially increasing rates too quickly and the impacts that can have, and how that can transpire is with potentially a falling stock market. So a lot of nervousness and anxieties, but certainly we'd be looking for the day ahead for some continuation beneath the daily lows across potentially all of the US equity markets. But just bear in mind, we do need to see continuation below the daily lows. Avoid getting into these markets prior to that, because we could easily see a really strong retracement on today's moves as well. So do be aware for all eventualities. So you could apply the same approach really to the FTSE market, again below the daily low, around the 70.93 level, and the same with the Euro stocks. It would present some really good opportunities to continue selling these markets to the downside. So looking at the 32.38 level and see if we get continuation to the downside. So a number of really interesting markets to focus on, and we'll see how we get on with continuation to the downside in these global equities. So of course, as always, do be careful and do protect your capital at all times. So that just about concludes then today's Daily Trade Watch. Please feel free to connect with us through our YouTube channel. Just search for the Live Trade Room, all one word, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel there. And you're very welcome to join us live each day at 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. UK time. So from everyone here at the Live Trade Room, thank you very much for joining us. You can also connect with us through our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Details are all there up on screen. So thank you very much for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.